Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Muhammad Ismail. Today we will discuss about Tenormin tablets, side effects and benefits of Tenormin. What is Tenormin? Tenormin is a beta block that affects the heart and circulation blood flow through arteries and veins. Tenormin warning: you should not use this Tenormin if you have a serious heart condition such as AV block, very slow heartbeats or heart failure. Do not stop taking Tenormin without first taking to your doctor. Stopping suddenly may make your condition. If you need to have any type of surgery, you may need to temporarily stop using Tenormin. Be sure the surgeon knows ahead of time that you are using this medicine. Tenormin can cause side effects that may impair your taking or reactions. Be careful if you drive or do anything that requires you to be awake and alert. Avoid drinking alcohol, which could increase drowsiness. Tenormin is only part of a complete program of treatment for hypertension that may also include diet, exercise and weight control. Follow your diet, medication and exercise routines very closely. If you are being treated hypertension, if you are being treated for high blood pressure, keep using medication. If you feel fine, high blood pressure often has no symptoms, you may need to use blood pressure medication for the rest of your life. Before taking this medicine, you should not use Tenormin if you are allergic to ethanol. A serious heart condition such as AV block, second or third degree, very slow heartbeat or heart failure. To make sure Tenormin is safe for you, tell your doctor. If you have congestive heart failure, coronary artery disease, asthma, emphysema, Yates, overactive thyroid, liver or kidney disease, using Tenormin during pregnancy could harm the unborn baby. Tell your doctor. If you are pregnant or if you become pregnant while using this medicine, how should take Tenormin? Take Tenormin exactly as it was prescribed for you. Follow all directions on your prescription label. Your doctor may change your dose to make sure you get the best results. Do not this medicine in larger or smaller amount for longer than recommended. Your blood pressure will need to be checked often. If you need surgery, tell the surgeon ahead of time that you are using Tenormin. You may need to stop using the medicine for a short time. It may take up to a week before you get full effect. Tenormin. Keep using medication as direction and tell your doctor if your symptoms do not improve. If you are being treated for high blood pressure, keep using this medicine. Keep using this medicine even if you feel well. High blood pressure often has no symptoms. You may need to use blood pressure medicines for the rest of your life. Thank you for watching my video.